when doing the R, the R, we should have in mind that Venus stands behind it. And R, is so much associated with going forward and transforming things. But the energy of Venus in an archetypal sense is receiving, or at least if you look what it does in the body, in the organs, building substance, creating roots, and how does the Venus and the R, the A, doing that? Which quickly look into this. There are quite a few videos where these things are explained in detail, but the vowels start at the heart. And with the A, you just open your heart and you carry your hands out in an open gesture. Not too broad, just how much can you take today, and that much you open up. Then you try to reach out into the far distance and from out your heart, even behind it. And then you could just use your shoulders a little bit and pull them back to start creating an in-streaming quality. And you try to create it in your arms and you feel flowing it inwards. And this automatically brings you back on your heels. And you can enjoy standing on your heels, without falling backwards. And then relax and let go. And when you do this again, and it's just all about trying, and you create this streaming in, you don't have necessarily to pull your shoulders back. You can just do it with your ordinary sensation in the body. And then it's not only through the arms that this in-streaming comes about. It's from everywhere. And if you manage to sense this a little bit, then you are in what the A does. Receiving, building, floor, grounds. From the heart, open up, ray from the heart through the hands, ray into the far distance, behind. Feel what's behind it, and then just become even more open by pulling your shoulders a little bit back. Open up towards receiving. Create an in-streaming through your arms, and then sense it in the whole body. And let go and keep this sensation of, yes, I'm nourished. It's streaming in. Keep it alive. And now try to do the R gesture, the R, by and keeping this impression of the A alive. Come in with the round curve. And maybe let it be taken along a little bit, but have this A sensation. I'm not opening that far that I lose myself. It's all about nourishment. And then let go. Go back a little bit if you need it. And maybe one more time, just briefly open up into the R. Create the in-streaming and drink it and say, yes, that's what I want to keep. Then let go. Prepare for the R movement. Let you be carried along by it. And try to stay in the mood of feel this in-streaming while you are doing it. Great. And breathe. Yeah, perhaps with all movements, we try to bring about, most of the time we want to achieve something with it, yeah? But we go forward in order to achieve, to receive. And this we could have in mind when we do the R.